Alright, continuing with our legato, working up in the E Phrygian scale shape. And remember, the fingers you use going up, you need to use them coming back down. So, seems like you're primarily using your first, third, and fourth finger when you have the whole step stretch. So let's keep doing that. And 60 beats per minute. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 3. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So regarding number 4, so you can type it, write it, send me a photo of it, whatever. Basically what I want you to do is just list out the chords for each progression. So like if you type it, it would be helpful if it's like the top line, you put your C, F, G, F, C, then go down to the next line and start typing out the next one, which was A minor, D minor, E minor, D minor, A minor, and go down to the next one. So you did the first 2 today, and that's why I was okay saying those, because you've already done that. So just going forward, Paying attention to what's capitalized is going to be major, lowercase is minor, with one exception: the seventh chord, which is the diminished chord, that's lowercase as well. The diminished is more closely related to a minor than a major, so that's why it is also lowercase. Sometimes you'll see people put the lowercase 7 and then DIM after it to indicate diminished, or a degree symbol, which is another symbol for diminished. But we're just going to keep it as a lowercase 7, keep it simple. So use that PDF explaining the triad chords to line up what is major, what is minor, what is diminished. And all you really got to do is go through the notes of your C major scale and just count up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, to get the right root note. And then you put the root note down. If it's a major, you leave the root note alone because it's already implied that it's major. If it is a minor chord, you put the root note plus a little, or a lowercase m. And then if it's diminished, you put the root note plus DIM for diminished. And there you go. And once you got that done, send it over. I'll let you know how it looks. Basically what you're going to do here, since you got those first two done, I'll demonstrate this. So if you put on, metronome at 60, be okay. And basically playing the first progression, you stay at this progression until you get it right, and then you move on to the next one. So you don't need to come back to any of these throughout the week. Just get it done. One and done. That includes the repeat. One and done, and then you're out. Alright, so we got here, you like going 1, I don't have any volume. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So that's the idea. Just get through it like that. You're good. And move on to the next one. So once you get things sent in, if you work on like 2 progressions a day, that's all right. So there's 8 progressions total. If you are feeling good with how things are going, you want to try 3 progressions or 4 progressions in one day, that's fine. But just try and pace yourself. No need to get it all done right away. Just get it done eventually. Get as much done as you can. Let's put it that way. Get done what you can. If you don't finish all 8 by the time we meet up again, that's fine. Get where you can. I'll help you progress through whatever you get stuck on. If you even get stuck. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you again next week.